Guess I gotta be more stern with these guys out here. Guess I gotta be more stern with these guys out here. My man was talking to me like I'm a piece of I got no ID.
What is treat
He was like this, you.
Treat him normal.
He was like this. I did treat him normal. So you got your ID? Wow, I don't need ID. The flash report. You got identification? I ain't got one. He came up, he's like, alright, sir. Oh, sir, I got it. Okay, I got you.
Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. Today's video is one that I'm excited to bring to you, and it comes from the channel Caveman's Cammed Up. He does a tremendous job schooling this rookie cop on how not to treat the public. The cop you heard in the body cam footage is Officer Jonathan Arucho. He's the officer that stated, "Guess I gotta be more stern with these guys out there." He was referring to an individual that refused to give up his identification because he had not committed a crime. That individual was actually a victim of a vehicle accident in which a truck clipped his bicycle. Now on this channel we promote transparency, and I have to give props to the officer that told Arucho to treat them normal. But sometimes these rookie cops need to hear it from the people they think they have authority over, and that's where Caveman's Cammed Up steps in. Let's take a look at this interaction and let me know your thoughts below in the comment section.
Caveman, can I take a picture of you?
You can.
I can, I'm allowed to?
You'll create a public document.
What do you mean?
You work for the police department, so you work for the government. You'll be creating a public document that I'll be able to record request. You can take a picture of me, but it will be a public record, just to let you know. And I can request that, even if that's your personal phone. You understand that, right, Zelensky?
Man, if you're gonna go that far...
I'm not gonna go that far. If you want to take a picture with me, I'll take a picture with you, brother.
Really?
Yeah. I don't care about having my picture taken, brother. Whenever this is over, though, I do want to talk with your...
He's new.
Yeah, I know. I want to speak with him. Okay? Are you finished here? Can I get your name and badge number?
Jonathan.
Jonathan?
J. Arucho. ZH484.
Okay. Can I speak with you?
Yes, sir. What's going on?
Okay. I watched the body cam with you the other morning about where you were with Officer Redmond and a homeless man was hit on a bike.
No, that wasn't me. I don't recall that.
I'm sure it was.
Okay.
It was February 2nd.
Okay.
You remember that?
Sure.
And you complained about the man not giving you an ID.
Uh-huh.
Do you understand that it's not required by law if a person hasn't committed a crime, that they're not required by law to give you an ID?
Okay.
You said that you're going to start being more stern with people about their ID and not IDing.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Have a nice day, Zelensky.
So there you have it for this interaction. It's clear that sometimes cops need to be corrected. I don't think they're being taught well enough in the academy about people's constitutional rights and how to respect them during everyday interactions. I had a conversation with the correctional officer that came into my job the other day, and we agreed on the fact that there are criminals out there doing bad things. That's a given. But when you treat every single member of the public like they're a criminal that must adhere to your authority, especially when they've committed no crime, that's where you create further disconnect between the people and the police. Let me know your thoughts on this interaction below, and don't forget to go subscribe to Caveman's Cammed Up and let him know I sent you over. Also, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you are not already. Thank you for watching San Joaquin Audits. I'll be back with another video soon.
San Joaquin, San Joaquin. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rollin', no stopping. They don't know now, we gon' gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros, telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the crew. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over?